Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, please do all subscribe, like this video. Also leave your opinions in the comment section below. NJC Court of Appeal reacts as rumors of deaths of justices who upheld Tinubu's election spread. The National Judicial Council, NJC, and the Court of Appeal have denied reports of the mysterious deaths of two of the justices who upheld the election of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2023. According to the NJC, the Court of Appeal, these claims are false and misleading. The rumors suggested that two of the five justices on the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, Justice Mistura Bolaji Yusuf and Justice Boloku Oromo Moses Ugo, died under suspicious circumstances. Social media posts claimed Justice Bolaji Yusuf was found dead just hours after appearing to be in good health. Another rumor stated that Justice Ugo allegedly passed away following strange noises from his room, with many family members reportedly finding him bleeding and unresponsive. However, the NJC, in a statement by its secretary, Ahmed Gambo Saleh, labeled the reports as completely false. Please ignore the news, it's a lie. The justices are alive, well, and doing their jobs, Saleh assured the public. Additionally, a senior official from the Court of Appeal condemned the rumors. The official described them as the work of mischief makers and said that the justices were in good health. It should be recalled that the panel of judges which upheld the election result of the February 25, 2023 presidential election, declared Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the All Progressive Congress (APC) the legitimate winner. The tribunal dismissed petitions from opposition candidates Alhaji Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party, who both contested the results. What are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section below. Before we go, let's take a look at a few reactions online. Truth says, everyone must surely die one day, but the greatest tragedy of life is for one to be on negative, wicked, and shameful side of history when they die. Those judges will never be at peace with themselves, their soul and their spirits. Their family may be enjoying the money given to them, but will never have a tangible life. Their children, no matter their country of residence, would always be found among vagabonds until some of them pay for their father's sins or repent from it. Also, Vincent says, why is NJC stressing themselves just to defend the living justices? Simply ask them to come to the national TV and debunk the rumor. Case closed. Living Voice says, when a child is crying and pointing hand in a direction, if his father is not there, his mother is there. There is no smoke without a fire. There is no secret under heaven. Rumors of death is a shadow of death hovering over them because of sin. Every soul that sins must surely die. Chika says, Nigerian government is very good in denying things. That is true. Later they will say it happened few days ago. We have seen this happen numerous times where, the Nigerian government, for one reason or the other, they do not want to disclose that someone has died immediately. They would say that it is a rumor, it is not true, blah, blah, blah. We saw that happen in the case of Lagbaja. After that journalist revealed that Lagbaja was in fact dead, The federal government, the Nigerian military debunked it. They even tried to arrest the journalist that was spreading false information. At the end of the day, they later announced by themselves after a few days that Lagbaja was dead. You guys also remember when Yaradua died. For one reason or the other as well, they refused to announce to the general public that, the president of the country had died. Probably they wanted to cover up and, continue to rule the country in proxy. But God no grief for them. Let's continue. Chika Jethro says they denied it during the time of Chief of Army Staff Lagbaja and later come to confirm it. Let the victim come out and claim that they are alive. Let's know those that are lying. That's a good one. At least if the justices, if they come out to say that we are alive, will nothing do us, so people would believe. Because by the mere fact of seeing them is an evidence alone. Those in authority should use this medium to know that the masses were praying for their deaths as their actions were killing hundreds of pure masses, so no wonder such news appeared. Uduma Kalu says, in every rumor, there are some elements of truth. Let's hope they are alive. Another person by the name Lambert says, all of you should start dying. You have caused darkness in the country, and so shall your lives and family continue to experience death and evil till eternity. I'm very sure that wherever these justices are, in fact, they will be scared for their life, and even their family member will be scared for their life. Gospel Koro says, was it not the same disclaimed death information about Lagbaja? Nigerian politicians and officials lack truth in their mouths. Only time will tell. God will be eliminating them one by one, including the illegitimate president. Another person says, just be careful. I mean, the reporter and the justices, search your consciences because only the guilty remain afraid. Until social media set this country on fire, we shall not learn our lesson of putting these stupid, dangerous postings on check. But most times, these things that the federal government later says is a rumor, these things usually come true that later they will now announce it officially. Initially, they usually deny and say that it is not true. But later, when they now realize that there's no solution to it than to own up, then they own up and tell Nigerians. But anyway, we shall see whether this news is true or not. It's just only a matter of time before we know if these justices are actually dead or not. You all leave your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. Like this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.